Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can set a ringtone in your Galaxy M05. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to simply open your settings. Then you have to click on sound and vibration. Here it is ringtone. You have to click on it and you will see there are lots of default ringtones here like this. You can set it from here and you can set custom also from here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.